Question 2, Mental Maths Monday. We've got to find a mystery number here, and we have to work out this so that we can find out what the mystery number is. So 8 with a little 2 above it, like that, means 8 squared, which means 8 twice. Okay, so 8 times 8, your tables is the square number 64. Now, if we represent this with a bar model and we say this bar is 120, which is our total over here. It is made up by this part here, which is the 8 squared bit, and we now know it's 64, and we now can work out which bit this is by taking away 64 from 120. You can do that in a sum, or you could count it on. You could say 64 plus what gives us 120. And so you can do your number line activity. Plus 6 equals 70, plus 30 equals 100, and plus 20 equals 120. And if you add all those numbers together, you will get your answer, which is 56. So 56 plus 64 equals 120. So our answer up here is 56.